Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Greetings to all. I am Fawzia Firdaus of 9th Godavari. Today, I want to talk about a day that fills our hearts with pride and gives us freedom to talk to our minds. Republic Day. 75 years ago, this day marked the birth of our country as a free republic. We escaped the shackles of the colonial rule, entered the bright light of liberty, and emerged as a sovereign nation, standing tall on the pillars of democracy. The sky over India at last belonged to the Indian people, symbolizing not just freedom from the British rule, but also the limitless possibilities and dreams that our vibrant nation could now aspire to achieve. On this memorable day, we think of the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed everything. Their unwavering courage lit the way to freedom, enabling us to stand tall as a proud nation. We owe them a deep debt of gratitude. But Republic Day isn't just about remembering the past. It is embracing the present and building a future. It is the freedom to learn, to dream big, and to aim high. One of the embodiments is our unity, that is, our national symbol Ashoka Chakra. Just as the spoke of the wheel move together, we, the people of India, move forward together, celebrating our unique identities while upholding the spirit of Republic. Our Constitution is not just a document but a living testament to the dreams and struggles of the people who sacrificed everything to liberate our country. It emerged as a beacon guiding us towards inclusive progress and enduring justice. It defines the right and dignity of every citizen, safeguarding them with unwavering principles. As we reflect the journey from vision to reality, our Constitution is not just a testament to the struggle of the past, but is a roadmap for a progressive and prosperous future. So, on this Republic Day, let's pledge to be worthy citizens of this great land. Let's embrace our differences, celebrate our diversity, and work together to build a future that is more glorious. Let's make every day a celebration of our freedom, our democracy, and the incredible potential of this nation we call India. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Thank you.